Question number 49, right? Three numbers x, y, z selected from the set of first 7 natural number. सबसे पहले क्या ये क्वेश्चन कर रहा है? फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल नंबर is what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल नंबर, राइट? एक्स वाई जेड क्या हो सकता है? ये एक्स वाई जेड इसी में से कोई एक नंबर है, राइट? द फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल सच दैट एक्स इज greater than 2 by is greater than 3z. How many such distinct triplets x, y, z are possible, right? Clear now? So this is actually, you break this into this thing. So the first one is 2 by is actually greater than 3z. This implies y is greater than 3 by 2z. It is nothing but y is greater than 1.5z, right? And x is greater than 2y, right? Here say z is 1. When z is 1, so y would be greater than 1.5, right? Then y is nothing but 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Any number, right? When y is 2, x is what? X is greater than 4. When x is greater than 4, so what would be the answer? This means x is nothing but 5, 6, 7. So the solution would be z, y, x, right? So here, when z is 1, y is 2, right? Then x would be 5, right? And 1, 2, 6, then 1, 2, 7. Clear? When x is 3, then when y is 3, so x would be greater than 6. So the value of x is 7. So this is 1, 3, 7, right? When y is 4, x would be greater than 8. So not possible. So for all these value, it is not possible, right? It is not possible. When z is 2, right? So y would be greater than 3. जब ये 3 से बड़ा होगा तो y का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 4, 5, 6 एंड 7. When y is 4, तो what would be x? X would be greater than 2y, means x would be greater than 8. So not possible. Not possible. So possible solutions are what? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So these 4 triplets are actually possible. क्लियर? देखिए इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में आपको क्या प्रिकॉशंस लेना है मैं बता रहा हूं. देखिए ये क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? x इज ग्रेटर देन 2y, इज ग्रेटर देन 3z. z सबसे छोटा है तो आप z से स्टार्ट करें. टेक z इज इक्वल टू 1, देन y वुड बी ग्रेटर देन 1.5. तो 1.5 से बड़ा होगा तो क्या होगा? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड 7 हो सकता है. लेकिन जैसे y को आप 2 लिखेंगे, x का वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 2y, मीन्स 4 से बड़ा होगा, तो 5 6 7 होगा। तो 1 to 5, 1 to 6 एंड 1 to 7 तो हो गया, राइट। व्हेन y इज एक्चुअली 3, तो x would be greater than 6, so the only value remains is x is 7, so this is 1 to 1 3 7. But when y is equal to 4 5 6 7, so there is no value for x, because in this case x and y should be any one from 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So the answer is actually these four triplets, right? So this is good question, और ये बहुत अच्छा है, आप इसको एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में जरूर अटेम्प्ट करें, राइट? सो दिस इज गुड क्वेश्चन, दिस इज गुड क्वेश्चन, you need to attempt this in examination hall in first round, right?